For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an automotive used parts business can be a profitable venture if approached with a solid plan, efficient processes, and a clear understanding of the market. The good news is that with the rise of powerful free AI tools, much of the heavy lifting, like research, planning, marketing, and operational setup, can be handled efficiently even on a tight budget. Below is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to launch your own used auto parts business using free AI tools to maximize your resources and minimize costs. Step 1. Research the market and identify your niche. Start by understanding the demand for used auto parts in your area or online. Use Google Trends to check search volume and consumer interest. Go to Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and eBay Motors to see what's selling and what isn't. You can use ChatGPT to analyze trends and identify underserved markets. Try the prompt. Act as a market research expert and analyze the demand and competition for used car parts in your city or state. Provide insights about which vehicle models or parts have the highest resale demand. For deeper insight, use Perplexity AI, which aggregates data from multiple sources. Ask it, what are the most profitable used car parts to resell in 2025? This can help you refine your focus, whether it's engines, transmissions, electronics, or body parts. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. Once you've identified your niche, develop a solid business plan. A business plan outlines your goals, startup costs, pricing, sourcing, operations, and profit projections. ChatGPT can generate a custom plan tailored to your business concept. Use the prompt. Act as a business consultant and write a full business plan for a startup that sells used automotive parts online and locally. Include sections on market analysis, pricing strategy, inventory sourcing, and financial projections. Use Notion AI if you prefer a drag-and-drop interface to structure your plan into sections like executive summary, operations plan, and marketing strategy. Step 3. Register your business and meet legal requirements. Choose a business name and register it with your state. You may need a resale certificate, business license, or auto dismantler permit, depending on your location. Use ChatGPT to guide you through the process with this prompt. List the licenses, permits, and regulations required to start a used automotive parts business in your state. Include links to government resources if available. You can also use Do Not Pay, a free legal AI assistant, to help you generate legal documents like business formation paperwork or basic contract for sellers. Step 4. Find and source inventory. You'll need a steady supply of used auto parts. Consider partnering with salvage yards, tow truck operators, or auction lots. Use AI to streamline the process. For example, use ChatGPT with a prompt. Create a cold email pitch to send to local junkyards and salvage yards asking for a supply partnership for used automotive parts. Use Google Sheets combined with ChatGPT to build a simple inventory tracker. Ask, create a spreadsheet template to track used auto parts inventory including part name, vehicle make, condition, location, and price. Step 5. Organize and catalog your inventory. Once you acquire parts, clean them up, test them if possible, and photograph them professionally. You can use free AI tools like Remove.bg to automatically remove image backgrounds and improve product photos for your website or e-commerce listings. For writing accurate and SEO-optimized descriptions, use ChatGPT with a prompt. Write an eBay product description for used 2012 Honda Accord alternator. Include details about condition, compatibility, and installation tips. Also consider using Google Lens to identify parts with unclear labeling or markings by comparing them visually online. Step 6. Set up an online presence. Create a Google business profile to show up in local search results. Build a free website using platforms like Wix or WordPress. Use ChatGPT to generate your web content. Prompt. Write a homepage introduction and About Us section for a used auto parts business that focuses on affordable, quality-tested car components. You can also use Canva's free AI power design tools to create a logo and social media graphics. Combine that with ChatGPT to generate slogans, bios, and captions. Write 5 short social media bios for a used car parts store targeting mechanics and DIY auto enthusiasts. Step 7. Sell parts online and offline. Create seller accounts on eBay Motors, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and OfferUp. Use ChatGPT to generate listing titles that increase visibility. Write 5 attention-grabbing eBay titles for a used Toyota Camry 2015 headlight. Offline, consider partnering with local repair shops, body shops, or car clubs. Ask ChatGPT. Write a proposal to offer bulk discounts on used parts to local mechanics. For payment processing, use free tools like Square or PayPal for secure transactions. Step 8. Market your business using free AI tools. To attract more customers, you need consistent marketing. Use ChatGPT to create a weekly marketing plan. Try the prompt. Create a 30-day marketing plan for a used car parts business using free social media, email marketing, and SEO tactics. Use MailChimp's free plan to start email campaigns and Canva to design simple newsletters. Let ChatGPT help write the content. Write a newsletter promoting a 10% discount on all Honda parts this weekend. You can also schedule posts using Buffer's free plan. Ask ChatGPT to write your content calendar. Prompt. Write 10 Instagram post ideas and captions for a business that sells recycled automotive parts. Step 9. Use AI to automate customer service and FAQs. AI chatbots like Tidio, free for limited use, can help you automate common customer inquiries. Train it with information from your inventory or shipping process. You can use ChatGPT to generate the FAQ section with this prompt. Write a detailed FAQ for a used auto parts e-commerce site, covering returns, warranties, shipping, and compatibility questions. You can also use ChatGPT as your assistant by inputting customer questions and letting it draft responses. Prompt. Reply to a customer who is asking if the 2007 Ford Focus alternator I'm selling will fit their 2008 model. Conclusion. Starting a used automotive parts business is now more accessible than ever, thanks to free AI tools that can help you at nearly every stage, from planning and sourcing to marketing and customer support. By combining practical hustle with intelligent automation, you can build a lean, competitive operation without heavy startup costs. As your business gains traction, continue experimenting with AI to scale smarter, serve customers better, and stay ahead of competitors. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.